Hello, this is Hustle with Jordan and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be doing a prop firm review of a company called Quant Tekel. So they are a big prop firm in the trading space. A lot of people know of them. They're a broker backed firm, which gives you even more confidence about the firm itself. So yeah, I want to do an in-depth review. I believe they are a great company. And yeah, they've got some really interesting challenges that I want to go through with you guys. And before I start, they've kindly gave you guys a 20% discount code. If you use this code on the screen somewhere, use that code or click the link in the description and I'll automatically put a discount on for you. And they'll give you 20% off any challenge. And they have got really good prices on their website. So check it out, get your discount, get your challenge account, and let's get funded. By the way, guys, I've got a gimbal now. I don't know if you guys know about gimbals, but yes, I'm recording with my phone and it kind of tracks where I move now without me having to touch anything. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So this is kind of a new setup I'm going for. So let me know if you like it. The quality on the camera is going to be good now. The only thing is going to be the quality of the audio, which I'm waiting for. I have ordered them. Microphone for this gimbal that connects with it. So it'll be crispy, clear audio soon. So sorry about this video. It might be a little bit rubbish, but it will soon be fixed. But now over onto the website, and I'm going to have a little look. Going to see what challenges they have to offer for you guys. We're going to deep dive into the company itself, where they're from, when were they established, and like I mentioned, they're a broker-backed firm. So what is the broker, and how trustworthy are they? That's the most important thing about prop firms these days. So let's look into it. The future of trading, here we are. Love the style of the website, it looks very clean, very easy. I love the branding as well with the, like the US dollar bill. It's a good little branding. I really like it. So their Trustpilot reviews are 4.5 out of 5, which is really good, proper good. So let's go over to the prop trading, because I know that's why we are all here, to look into the prop trading. So here we are, we're now in the section where they offer their prop firm challenges. So ascend to new heights with prop trading. So Quant Tekel, their name used to be Ascend X, I believe it was. It was something along them lines. That was their previous brand name. They've now changed to Quant Tekel, completely rebranded the branding and the business name. So I like their style now. I like their branding a lot better. So yeah, featured on all the big boys, Forbes and everything. So you can trade up to $200,000 virtual funds, receive a profit share of up to 90% on your earnings. The only prop firm that provides traders with exceptional trading conditions. Okay, so that all sounds lovely. Choose your evaluation program. Here we go. So they've recently just come out with 2 new evaluation types. So you've got instant funding, which is huge. If you can't be asked to take a challenge, go for the instant funding. Get instant money straight away, and you can start trading without no delay. So instant funding, no evaluation, no hassle. The fastest way to reach funded. Best for experienced traders. Obviously, guys, when you're getting instant funded, you're paying a premium because you're skipping the challenge part. So the company's more at risk. The prop firm itself is more at risk to give you allocated funds. I know we understand how prop firms work these days. It's virtual funds, it's not real funds. But it is a good option if you have experience and you can get withdrawals. Then I would just go for the instant funding, because why not? Because just you can start earning straight away. So your account sizes are lower though compared to your other evaluations. So you've only got 1.25 thousand or £1,250. I don't know why I said it like that to begin with. So your daily drawdown is 3%, max drawdown is 6%. min withdrawal is 5%, so you need to reach 5% before you can withdraw. Consistency rule is 25%. So just to break this down, you must maintain at least 25% of your profits across multiple trades. Prevents reliance on single large winning trades. So it's just saying you can't just gamble, you can't buy the account, gamble on a big trade and then, you know, cash out, or yeah. So it's just like a safety precaution for the firm. Safety buffer. So you've got 3% safety buffer. Leave a safety buffer of 3% when you request payout. So you've got to have 3% buffer in the account before you pay out. So these restrictions are going to come into place when you've got instant funding, because it's a big risk for firms. So I understand why they put that in place, and it's completely understandable. In my opinion, I would take the evaluation, just because you got less restrictions. Once you're past, that account's yours and you can trade it how you want. Obviously you've got some restrictions like the max drawdown and min withdrawal and stuff like that, but instant funding, you're gonna come across more roadblocks, I believe. But look how cheap these are. I've just noticed how cheap these are. My God. So if you want a $25,000 funded account, it's only $200, and they get the funding straight away. My God, that's insane, isn't it? That seems like a really good value. So you can get all the way up to $25,000, and if you are a good trader, and you just haven't got time to pass a challenge, and you can just buy 25k for $200 and trade it, and you're able to meet these, you know, your min withdrawal is 5% and your safety buffers. If you can manage to grow the account slowly, I mean, you're laughing really, because you haven't had to pass any challenge to get the account. That's quality, very good value that. So now we've got another new evaluation called QT Prime. No consistency rule, best for evaluation sustainability, 2 and 3 step available. 100k evaluation from only $240. My God. And I give you, guys, I can give you 20% off. So use that, be even cheaper. So you can go all the way up to 200k account size for this, which is very, very good. Let's have a look at some of the rules. So profit target for step 1 is 8%, 5% for step 2. Daily drawdown is 4%, max drawdown 10%. Equity protector is 1.5%. So let's read this. Guardian Angel feature that will close out a position at a floating loss of 1.5%, protecting accounts from drawdown and account closure. Okay, so it just protects you as a trader if you're not, you know, glued on your phone constantly looking at the trade. That's just to protect you, your equity. News rule, 5 min. So let's have a look at this. No trading activity 5 minutes before or after high impact red folder news events in funded accounts only. Okay, so you can't, that's understandable because the markets get very volatile. I know a lot of people like to trade off news. So I'm guessing if you're in a trade and there's red folder news coming up, you'd have to close out of that trade, I believe. I reckon so, because you could just open a trade 6 minutes before news, you know what I mean? So I'm guessing you'd have to close the trade 5 minutes before news, which might be a pain for some swing traders, but the game's a game. Payouts is bi-weekly, profit split is 80%, nice, and look how affordable these accounts are. Extremely affordable, and use my discount and you get even more money off. So you're laughing. And then we've got QT Power. Here we are. So QT Power, so you got profit target step 1, 6%, profit target step 2, 6%. Oh, only need to make 12% within 2 steps, that's really good. Daily drawdown 3%, max drawdown 8%, consistency rule 35%. Okay. So you must maintain at least 35% of total profits across multiple trades in both challenge and funded account phases. Promises over sustainable. Okay. Payouts by weekly news rule, so you're not restricted on news on QT Power, which I like. Personally, I'll probably go for this one. This is probably stands out for me because I'm more of a long trader. I'm more of a swing trader, so I like to hold on to trades, you know, for multiple days. I don't want to be removing a trade because red news is coming. I don't really factor it in too much. Obviously, I take a look at the news coming out, but it doesn't play a huge part into what I'm trading. So yeah, the challenges look really good and they're really good prices. I mean, this is the prices before you even put a discount on, so you can't complain with that, seriously. So they've got all these kind of videos over here from the community of their successful traders. You can give them a watch. We won't watch them right now, but it's good to get proper testimonials from real people who actually have a live account with Quant Tekel, just so you know you're in safe hands. So milestones, this is very important when it comes to prop firms, is looking at their milestones and, you know, how far they've come since they've been operating. So 40,000 traders from 180 countries, that's just amazing. 4-hour average processing time for payouts, really quick. I love quick payouts like that. I think I know some firms, you know, they take ages to pay out, and you kind of just waiting there like, what can possibly be taking so long? It kind of feels like they're waiting for more money to come in to pay you. So having, you know, a 4-hour average processing time for payouts is incredible. $8 million in payouts. Jesus, that is a hell of a figure. We have paid out more than $7 million to our traders. You're in safe hands. That's incredible work. Being able to pay out on products about $8 million to traders, which is incredible. That goes to show, guys, if you're an up-and-coming trader, this is how much money there is to be made. These prop firms are giving out millions of dollars if you can prove that you can trade and you take the time to be able to learn it. There's loads of money to be made. Built by traders for traders. This is what I like about Quant Tekel. The actual owners are traders themselves, so they know what are fair, like, you know, what the fair rules are, because they're experienced in trading game. They know how trading works. They know how difficult some firms make it to pass. So they've made a fair evaluation for you guys to take and hopefully give you the best odds to get funded. So you get 90% profit split, trade without limits or restrictions, lowest profit target, fast payouts, monthly competitions, the lowest commission and spreads, quality. So I like this little feature they've got at the bottom of their website. It is a calculate your profit potential. So let's say we passed the $100K account, $100 account, and we make, is this profit monthly? Yes, it is. So this is monthly profit. Let's say we make a impressive 5.2% a month. We make an impressive 5.2% a month, which, I mean, it's likely some months, you know, it all obviously months, you know, you're going to go up and down. You're going to be down one month, you're going to be up one month. So even if we put it to, let's just say, we're earning a respectable 3% a month on average, you're looking at earning nearly $3,000 a month with the profit split taken out. Look at that, that's a good wage right there, and that's just one 100K account. Imagine if we had 200K and making the same profit split and we're making 6K a month. It's just incredible numbers that you can get. Yeah, and let's say we make 100% a month, which is obviously possible. We make 180K a month. No, but this just goes to show how much money there's to be made, guys. Come on, like this is a crazy time to be trading. It really is. Join our community. So they've got a Discord community you can join. You know, you can talk to support, you can talk to other members that are taking a challenge. It's a good place to be when sharing ideas, and maybe some people can share trade ideas and you can bounce off each other. it's always good to be involved in a community. So yeah, that was the website. Really nice site, really nice challenges. I'm just going to take you to the back end now, take you to the dashboard. So I've actually got an account that I'm currently trading. It's a 50k account. It's a video that's going to be coming out. It's a different concept. It is a brand new concept. It is trying to pass a prop firm challenge using ChatGPT. So that is the next video that's going to be coming, guys. I don't want to give anything away, so I won't show the stats of the account. But practically, I tell ChatGPT to buy or sell at random, and it will let me know what I need to do. So yeah, it's a fun concept. You'll see in the next video how it goes. So this is the account. I've actually got a $5,000 account, which I didn't even know I had. Didn't even know I had sitting here, but apparently I do. So maybe it'd be cool if I could actually try and give this away. I'll try and give this away to one of you guys. I don't know if I can, but I'll try to. I will try to. So yeah, keep posted. So what we got here, we have got, so this is their account dashboard. So when you buy a challenge, this is what you're presented in the back end. You got your balance, equity, min trading days, and win ratio. So you've got all the stats you need to see to make sure you're on track, all the history, daily summary, and all of that jazz. So it's a really nice, clean back end, not confusing, clean, simple, and yeah, I like it. So that was the end of the video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it, and I hope you like the new setup with the old gimbal moving about. Kind of like it. I think it's more professional, kind of keeps the camera stable, and it just tracks where I go, and I think it's good when you're moving about a lot. And the quality is a lot better than what I was using, so win-win. Like I said, I will get a microphone, so sorry if the audio is not great. But yeah, that was Quant Tekel, and if you want a discount, it's on the screen somewhere, use this code, and you get a nice discount off the Quant Tekel challenges. I mean, they're really good value as well, so it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. Yeah, get involved, guys. I'm going to be doing some giveaways with Quant Tekel. I'm going to get some accounts from them and then give them away to you guys, so stay posted on that. Follow my X account, that's probably where I'll post them. But yeah, I'm going to try and give away a few. So keep posted, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah, bye-bye.